Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and live Doppler 2X, the most powerful radar in the Miami Valley.
Well, not a bad 4th of July weekend. A little bit of rain there for Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, but otherwise most of the weekend dry, and we're looking at dry weather tonight here as we check out Montgomery County. All of our viewing area dry as we look up north, back west to Indianapolis, over to Columbus, the dry weather, and extending all the way up to the northwest. But we'll keep our eyes poised northwest over the next couple of days. Could be some clusters of thunderstorms developing up this way, and with our upper level wind flow still out of the northwest, those could drop southeastward from time to time, mostly staying to the west of us, but could be close enough to us to bring us a chance, an isolated chance of a shower. But for the most part, we're looking at dry weather for the next few days with a big warm-up by the end of the week. And tonight, a beautiful evening, 82 degrees, west-northwest wind, a little bit of a breeze out there for you, 16 miles an hour. But check out that low relative humidity, 34%, dew point at 51, and that is a comfortable combination. 80 degrees at our satellite newsroom in Springfield with a relative humidity there at 38%. And our weather checkers tonight down up in Sydney at 81 degrees, John Kingham in Tip City at 83, and up in Bradford, 81-degree reading reported by Scott Biesecker, Lowell Miller, 83. Everybody tonight pretty much in the low 80s. Our weather checkers in the southern part of our viewing area in the 80s as well. Bill Telsero, one of the warmer readings there in Xenia at 84. As we check out the readings across the region, though, off to the east of us, temperatures tonight still in the upper 70s around Pittsburgh, 79 there, 79 in Parkersburg, but Columbus at 81. But even down south, not bad at all, low to mid 80s in the southern part of Indiana. You can still see that cool air mass that's been hanging on for about a week to 10 days now over the northeastern part of the country. And even though it was hot last week over the central and southern part of the U.S., it's actually cooled off a little bit there. But we're expecting to see that heat build again as we go through the week. But tonight, a little disturbance south of us, producing some high-level clouds. Not much in the way of any rain, though. Another frontal boundary to the north of us that'll be dropping southward, coming through mostly dry. As I mentioned, this will be the source region for some of the rain that'll be forming over the next 2 to 3 days, with the bulk of that staying north and west of us tonight, and then some of that shifting on down across parts of the Midwest as we head through the week. But you can see a pretty quiet weather map here on Future Track, that front dropping southward out of the Great Lakes into our area. So it actually reinforces the pleasant conditions over us, but you can see a little bit of that rain being painted to the west of us over Illinois and into parts of Indiana as we head through tomorrow. So only a slight chance of rain, mainly west of us, as we go on into Tuesday. Same pattern into Wednesday, front just to the south of us. I think for the most part we'll see partly cloudy skies, but could be some more redevelopment of some of that rain to the west of us during the day on Wednesday. Our low tonight, once again, very comfortable. Well, we were 57 last night. Tonight should drop down to 59 under mainly clear skies. Tomorrow, looking great. Once again, partly sunny, a pleasant day with that northwest wind at 5 to 15 miles an hour. Your hour-by-hour forecast, 64 at 8 o'clock, 71 at 10, and then getting up around 80 at 2 o'clock and into the low 80s at 4 o'clock, 80 degrees at 6 p.m. And anytime you want to check out the forecast, we've got all kinds of weather graphics for you. Just click on our weather tab there at WDTN.com. And, of course, live Doppler 2X. You'll want to click on that when you see some rain around. Your 7-day planner, there are those slow, very low precipitation chances Tuesday, Wednesday, and into Thursday, but generally dry through that time frame. The thing to note, Thursday and Friday really starts to warm up. Could be pretty hot and sticky by the end of the week on Friday. A little better chance of some scattered thunderstorms as we head to the start of the weekend.